Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another quick tutorial and also a review about eBay promoted listings. Well, as you can see here, I got quite a few campaigns running and nothing is happening. A little disappointed. So let's see. I got 60 listings promoted, 60. I got 7 campaigns running. Now since August 1st I had 122 clicks, 0 sold means no fees. So a little disappointed, a little you know, concerned about that. I know a lot of people are doing this and having no luck. I'm not sure what the problem is. Either top rated sellers or no free returns and free shipping, and you know, you're paying extra for better placement, and I don't see it. I see a lot of clicks. I see a lot of squiggly lines. I don't see any sales. Just a quick update. If you've had any success, leave a comment below. People would like to see, what you're doing, and maybe you're doing something different than I am. Just don't get it. Increasing the amount of percentages, great photos, great descriptions. Just don't think it's working. I think eBay is really more so people who are looking for specific items. So I'm not really sure if the promoted listings is the way to go. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've had success. Love to know what you're doing. Be great. Also, my followers would like to also know as well. So any comments, any questions, leave below. Let me know what you're doing, if you're doing this at all, or maybe you're just having better luck with offering free shipping and free returns. Maybe that's a better way to go. Love to know. Appreciate that. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Thanks for I appreciate a thumbs up if you can. Also subscribe to my channel. It does help me keep my viewership going. I really do appreciate that. And I hope you enjoy watching some of my videos. I'm going to be working on some more videos in the future. Also going to be working a little bit with Amazon and also merch. So if anything that you'd like me to work on or like me to do, let me know. And I appreciate your comments. I always do. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you. Have a great day.